The check atmosphere maintenance procedure is a procedure which is often overlooked. We encourage all our customers to check this on a weekly basis. Failure to do so results in poor nozzle reliability, difficulty in recovering missing nozzles, and in extreme cases the ink is sucked out of the sub-tank and into a 0.2 micron filter. The result is the head then dumps all of its ink onto the platen or onto a capping station, rendering your printer useless until a service engineer is able to visit your site. The reason this happens is there is a filter on the rear of the machine which filters particulate from the air. When that filter starts getting blocked up over time, the positive and negative pressures increase. Fortunately, there's a throttle body for both the positive and negative pressures on the rear of the machine, which allows you to adjust the positive and negative pressures back to their correct values. I'll take you through those steps now. To check and adjust your positive and negative pressures, click the function button, scroll down to maintenance, scroll down to check atmosphere, and the first menu is the plus or positive pressure. Click the enter button. The correct value for the positive pressure is 30 kilopascals. There is a range of plus minus 1 kilopascal. So provided the machine is beeping as it is now, you're in range. So no need for adjustment. Click end. Push the down arrow and select the negative pressure. Push the enter button. The correct value for the negative pressure should be 3.2 kilopascals. The range for the negative pressure is a lot smaller than that of the positive pressure. It's around 0.2 kilopascals. Clearly, this machine requires adjustment as the value is 3.41 kilopascals. So we've checked the positive and negative pressures on the control panel and we've confirmed that the positive pressure is in range. However, the negative pressure requires adjustment. To make that adjustment, we have to come to the rear of the machine and remove this cover. Remove these screws located on the top, on this side, and these bottom screws only require loosening as this cover has got a slot in it, so you can just slide the cover off. Now that the cover has been removed, the location for the positive and negative pressure controllers are here for the positive and over here for the negative. The procedure can be easier if you have an assistant, but in this case I don't, so what I'll be doing is making an adjustment to the actual physical throttle control in a clockwise direction and then checking the control panel to see if I'm in fact moving the correct direction. I've just checked the control panel and I'm moving in the incorrect direction, so I need to go in the anti-clockwise direction on the throttle control valve. As I'm adjusting, I'm waiting for a beeping tone to appear. And there it started beeping. So now I've got a consistent beeping tone. I can very gently lock up the lock ring. Once you're satisfied you've set the positive and negative pressure controllers correctly, you can put the cover back. Failing to do so exposes this filter over here to further contaminant in the air, accelerating the requirement for adjustment.